skipped the Altima. Well, he's looking at Altima right now. I guess he is about the big Altima energy, huh? Look at this one right here. What kind of car is this? Honda, yes. Yeah, BMW. You see it? Here we are at CarMax. Have Leo here. Leo and a smile. Okay, good. Leo and his BMW stroller. So we're looking at cars for Kason. So I can't really find anything he likes. I guess he's not he skipped the Altima. Well, he's looking at Altima right now. I guess he is about the big Altima energy, huh? Oh, the Sentra looks nice. I don't know why I like the Sentra. Or is this a Versa? I can't tell. Versa, Sentra, they look similar. Cars are just costing a lot more money now. I just don't understand why there's so much money. For 100,000 miles, they still want. What kind of car is this one? Look at this one right here. What kind of car is this? Honda, yes. What do you think? You like it better? It's a $20K for this one. Hold on a second, Kian. Do you put... Was a seat like that when you got in it?
No.
This how you think?
That's Kian will drive.
No, Kian.
That's how Adam drives.
No, I don't. You're not Adam. You're Kian.
You're an Adam drive like that.
No. Like, what's the whole point? You can't even see. Don't be that guy. Hmm? What kind of car is that?
Yeah.
What kind of car is it? Yeah. Is that like Mommy's car? Is it locked? Someone's got it already. I bet somebody transferred it here. And it's a V8. You don't see many of those around, do you? X5s? Yeah, it's an M50. You could put a middle one. You could attach a little jump seat right there in the middle.
No, that's not seatbelt.
Yeah, seatbelt. Yeah. Where's the seatbelt? Yeah, it's right here. That's where seatbelt is. And you got the seatbelt right there. But yeah, this is what we had. Your mom. Oh, the one that we had a sunroof though. And it had a white steering wheel too.
White steering wheel?
The white steering wheel was white, like gray.
I don't like how you shift.
Shift it up there.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh. Is that manual? That's manual too? That one has does that have a sunroof on it? The silver one? What year is the silver one? How much is that one?
60K.
Like it? You sound like you really like this one. Why do you like this one so much?
That's like the seats, like they look pretty cool.
Is this the favorite one so far? Between the blue one and this one. Okay, you like the blue Sentra.
The blue one, I could drive it.
Okay, let's make it equal. What if this was an automatic? How'd you feel?
This one.
This one or the blue one? Really?
Actually, no.
No. What is it you don't like about this one?
I don't like hatchbacks.
So you prefer a sedan? All right. So if this was a sedan, you'd be like, oh, okay, cool. But it had to be automatic. So he's saying no to a GTI because obviously you don't know how to drive manual. I could teach you to drive manual. You'll feel comfortable with it. Okay. But even then, you're not the hatchback is not your style. Man, GTIs are just it's a fun car. I think it's a short throw shifter too. It just seems like it just wants to. I mean, it really just kind of slides in the gear. Oh, Ken's in that SS. Chevy SS. He would. V8. What's up? What's up? You want to go? You want to race? I got a GTI. What you got? Nothing. Chevy SS, huh? The Australian GM cars. Well, they made them differently in Australia. It's one of those Holden cars, but. You like this SS, don't you? Is it manual? He gets in the car and he puts the seat all the way back. That's how he likes to drive. Oh, he's gonna be that guy, isn't he? I can't.
Because the reason why he does that, because when he before that, it'll like put him back in the seat.
No. So of all the cars we looked at, which one you seem to gravitate towards?
The blue one.
The blue Nissan. Okay, Nissan Sentra. All right. What about this over that is that Subaru over there, BRZ? Like that one? You wanna look at it? Or no? So 26,000 for that one. Oof. It's a lot. What do you think? You like this one? Like the Subaru? Subaru?
Yeah.
You like it?
Mom, yeah.
Manual? Okay. Bye.
You close?
Not yet. It's small. Like you don't have much room.
No.
I feel like that's a good thing.
Because you mean to encourage anybody to ride with you? Close it. Let me see what we're casing.
Yeah.
Let's see. It's manual too. Oh, this is automatic. Automatic with the manual looking shifter. Right? Or you always like that? Same.
There's back seats in this thing.
Yeah, very little.
You closed.
So this is see, like you like this one way more than just for the camera side was recording. It's for the camera purposes. You like this one way more than the Blue Century looked at.
It's kind of hard.
It's kind of hard, but you say you liked it earlier. When I wasn't recording, you say you liked it. Now you say you don't like it. Now you
I
just
just have like leather. Has better seats.
really about the same. Okay. Which one felt more comfortable? Felt more you, like you can see yourself in.
This one.
You see more in the black Jetta.
Yes.
What about the gray one? They're the same, or you just rid of the black one? $17,000 for this one. You want to sit in, or you good?
I'm good.
Okay. Black one has fog lights. That one does not. So this one's gonna be a higher trim now. The wheels are different too on this one. None of any BMWs?
Yeah.
I like that one right there. There's a black one right in front of me.
W. This is W.
Yeah, BMW. You see it? Maybe a little biased towards BMW. Just a little bit, right? But obviously you're the one that has to maintain it, right? So I'll help you maintain it, but you have to be the one to be able to help me pay for it. Agree? It's 15,000 for this one.
You want to go? Want to go? You want to go?
328. Hmm?
You want to go? Want to go?
We still prefer the Volkswagen?
It's kind of hard.
Okay.
We go.
You ready to go? What's up, Kason?
Hi.
You ready? What kind of car are you thinking about right now?
So weird.
I don't know.
Leo said W.
Leo said BMW. So we got Lexi here. Lexi, you want to say hi?
Hi.
Oh, it's a manual transmission.
Okay. What do you think? I know you say you're not a fan of hatchbacks, but I really think you might like this.